If you had to go to the bathroom really bad, but you did not want to lose your place for first chair on a powder day in line, what would you do? Just go right in the line, or would you lose your place?
When you gotta go, you gotta go. You gotta wait for first chair. You gotta do your business in line.
A lot of folks ask what kind of setup I roll for the live streams. Here's my fancy setup. You got the snow scraper with the electrical tape to the phone. You get the right angle there in case you need to brush off the snow. You can use that brush. If you need to scrape anything, you're all set for the handy scrapes. Just waiting for the first chair today here to Arapahoe Basin. Dog's waiting too. Boom, there they go. Go, 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 it's a race. Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. He's gonna open up my side. We're going first.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Thank you, sir. All right, here we go. Pays to get multiple first chairs. Thanks for the shout out and the help, team. Yeah, appreciate you. Thanks for the shout out. How you doing? Yeah. First chair, here we go. All right, first chair, we made it. With some help from the team. He said that dude in the yellow hoodie's been here for a long time. Hit it, yeah. Party at the beach. All the St. Patrick's Day partiers. Breakfast of Champions. Oh, the sweet suits.